Well, I hand fabricated a new map light lens bezel out of polyethylene and aluminum sheet for the recess, and tinted the lens through the polyethylene with amber shellac to give it the right color. There's the original, which is broken, piece of cheap plastic. So that's my handmade reproduction, not 100% finished yet, but getting close, and time for a fit check. So we'll see how it fits, but hopefully okay. Better than the old one, which wouldn't stay in place and I had large washers on it. So there you go.